mynewattorney.com. Now, mynewattorney.com is owned by the H.O.P.E program. H.O.P.E, of course, stands for Home Ownership as Possible with Education, and has helped more people buy a home zero down than any other company in the last 10 years. You see, we combine three things at the H.O.P.E program: credit repair, credit restoration and score enhancement, and then lender and real estate education. So we know exactly what it takes to get anybody a zero down home loan, no matter what your credit score is. But you see, when we took a look at our demographics and at our customers, we realized that 90% of all of our customers were renters. And 80% of those renters had some type of a legal issue with their landlord at some point in the past. So what we decided to do was we combined with LegalShield. LegalShield is a 40-year-old company that has 1.6 million members and has law firms in every state, all 50 states in the country, to help protect you no matter where you're at. So we've combined and created kind of a landlord policy, I should say a renter's policy, combined with their life events policy that's going to protect you in the following ways. Number one, did you know that 90% of all leases that are prepared by an individual landlord have something in them that makes them illegal? If that's the case, you can get most of your money back. Do you know the security deposit laws? Do you know that they cannot threaten to evict you? Did you know that they have to fix your home in a certain amount of days, or you can get credit on your rent by state law? Did you sign a lead-based paint disclosure? Did you actually have your security deposit put into an escrow account? Did they threaten to keep your security deposit? Did they put you through a checklist? I mean, guys, there are checklist after checklist of things that most tenants don't know who to go to and they don't know who to talk to, and that's where we come in. You see, LegalShield, again, has over 1.6 million members and has law firms in all 50 states. Now, if I told you that you could have an attorney at your disposal to, number one, answer any question that you have 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, 20 days a month, 365 days a year, whatever you want to call that, any question you want about your rental, about property taxes, about child support, about a will, about anything, that you could have a specialist available to you to answer any of your questions. Number two, what if you wanted the first 10 pages of your lease reviewed, or the first 10 pages of any and all contracts that you're going to sign? What if I told you that you could have an attorney available to you? What if I told you if you ever got a traffic ticket anywhere in the country, they would go to court for you for free as part of this membership? What if I told you that if you got into a car accident, 100% of the criminal or civil defense would be covered as part of your membership? What if I told you that if you ever got audited by the IRS, that a certain amount of hours are covered as part of this membership? What if I told you that husband and wife, children above or below the age of 21, or full-time students under 23 are all covered in this policy? And last but not least, what if I told you that you could have a will prepared, husband and wife could have a will prepared, that would actually tell you where your assets and your kids go in case something happens to you? All of this. Now, if I told you that you could have an attorney available to you 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, that they would answer any of your questions, review any document, go to court for you if you or anyone in your family got a traffic ticket, that they would cover you from an IRS audit, they would defend you in a traffic court case where if you ever got sued, charged criminally or civilly in a car accident, and that they would prepare a will for you. If I told you that you could get all of that, what would you tell me it would cost per month? I've had people tell me as little as $100 and as much as $500 a month. Well, if I told you, because LegalShield has 1.6 million members, that you could get that coverage for $17 a month, would you enroll right now? Of course you would. They're going to protect you legally. They're going to review your current lease. They're going to actually review your future lease. They're going to help you in every possible legal situation for the rest of your life. There are no contracts. You can cancel at any time, but the average person keeps this membership 8 years. Heck, a will alone costs $2,000 to prepare. So again, there's two things that you can do right now. Number one, click on the link below and enroll in the $17 a month plan. Number two, click on the link below and then click on the upper right hand corner, contact us. Fill out your name, phone number, and email, and somebody within 24 hours will call you and walk you through the enrollment process to get you set up on your rental coverage plan and your LegalShield benefits plan that will cover you in all those areas and more. Click on the link below. Get started today. We will contact you within 24 hours to get you enrolled. Thanks for listening.